तो जिन पंछियों को जो से टाइप का ट्विग या
Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. The spring is back to Warsaw. So I'm here to show you the spring. A lot of beautiful leaves coming out, fresh leaves and flowers blooming up with a lot of greenery around. Some pink flowering. We got some cherry blossom around. Here we have some flowers that are already blooming. These are the yellow ones and there are purple ones as well. Out there, so these will be of different colors, different flowers. You can see these buds are just bursting out and throwing leaves outside. These are all small leaves with buds. You don't need to go to Japan to enjoy the cherry blossoms. In Warsaw, you can come here and enjoy the cherry blossom trees. It's a beautiful sight to be seen. The blossoms are lined up in a line, as you can see. Beautiful sight. These are the cherry tree buds and it's going to budding. The spring is coming. Sooner there will be flowers and after flowers there will be cherries. This is after 10 days now and we have flowers, and now these flowers will be like garlands on the twigs and the branches. So this is another week and you can see that all the flowers are bloomed. Beautiful sight, and each flower will bear a cherry inside it. And this is a pine tree, and the pine tree is giving out new cones and the old ones will fall. This is fresh leaves on the pine tree, like needles. During the winters, this pond was completely frozen and one could walk on on this pond. I'll put the link of the video in the description. These look like roses. These are the red ones, and on the other hand we have the white ones. These are the beautiful magnolias which are blooming. So almost 15 days, magnolias have completely shredded down, and now the tree is throwing out leaves. So you see the flowers, or all the petals have fallen. There are a few still there, but most of them has fallen down. You can see the tulips are already blooming. The reddish tone can be seen, and in a few days they will be fully blooming. The previous video was taken 2 days back. Now you can see the flowering. You can see there are more flowers now. And there are some that are still blooming.
ये अलग अलग पंछियों के लिए बना हुआ है, जिसमें कि इसमें अलग अलग टाइप के हस्क लगे होते हैं और अलग अलग टाइप के ट्विग्स लगे होते हैं, जो कि पंछी जिनसे अपना घोंसला बनाते हैं। तो जिन पंछियों को जो से टाइप का ट्विग या जो से टाइप का हस्क चाहिए होता है वो इसके अंदर से निकाल के अपना घोंसला बना सकते हैं।
So the spring is coming to an end. Trees and the plants are getting more greener day by day. That's all about the spring in Poland. See you in the next one. Until then, have a nice time.